Hi, this is Ryan Hughes with the Pix4D training team. In this video, we will discuss how to organize datasets using folders and sites. A site is a collection of multiple datasets captured at different points in time of the same location. Sites are only available when working with Pix4Dcloud Advanced, while folders and datasets are available in Pix4Dcloud and Pix4Dcloud Advanced. A folder is a collection of datasets that do not necessarily share the same location. When working with Pix4Dcloud Advanced, it is recommended to place datasets capturing the same project area in a site to enable additional features. On the main interface of Pix4Dcloud, you will have a map that automatically centers on the location of your existing projects. On the left side of the screen, you have your personal or organizational drive where the folders, sites, and datasets will be shown. Alternatively, you can see the datasets and sites directly on the map. Clicking on the icon will highlight the project in the associated drive, and you can open the project from here. Datasets contained in folders only appear on the map interface if you open the folder. You can change the main interface here if you prefer a different view. To create a new site, click New, next click New Site. Enter a short and easily recognizable name for the new site and click Create Site. To add existing datasets to a site, click the three vertical dots to open additional options. Next, click Assign To and select the desired site. This dataset will no longer be visible directly in the Drive menu and will be within the selected site. To remove a dataset from a site, open the site and select the desired dataset. Then click Remove from Site and confirm that you want to remove the site. The dataset has not been deleted, it has only been removed from the site. When creating a new dataset by processing imagery with Pix4Dcloud Advanced, you must assign the new dataset to a site. If no site exists, you must create the site before processing the dataset. If the site already exists, simply select it and the dataset will automatically be added during processing. Enter a short and easily recognizable name for the folder and click Create. You can add a dataset or site to a folder in the same way as we saw before. You can see the contents of a folder by clicking here. It is possible to create subfolders within a folder. You can move multiple datasets, sites, or folders by enabling the checkbox in the Drive menu and clicking Move To. Next, select the desired site or folder to move the selected items. Datasets can be added to either folders or sites. Sites and folders can be added to folders. We hope this tutorial video on organizing your projects in Pix4Dcloud and Pix4Dcloud Advanced was helpful. See you in the next one.